ABC draw.
No, it's how to draw.
Okay, who's going to say B is for bird?
Is there anybody there?
If there's anybody there, my name is Adam.
My name is Adam. Adam.
Your name is not Adam.
My name is
Nothing.
When you figure it out, let us know. Arkley, nice to meet you.
My name
Arkley.
is Alien Head.
Alien Head.
My name is Banana Head.
My name is Doom Boom
I'm
Boom.
Banana Face.
Banana Face.
My name is Doom Boom.
Hey, everybody.
That's my name.
Banana
Doom Boom Boom Boom.
Hello, Banana Face. It's nice to meet you.
My name's not
I
Doom
like
Boom
you,
Boom.
Daddy.
I like you, Arkley.
I like you, Butter.
Who's drawing a bird with me?
Me?
I'm gonna sinky.
A sinky?
Yeah.
All right. I don't know what a sinky is. I can't wait to see it.
It's a bird kind.
It's a kind of a bird called a sinky.
A slinky?
A sinky.
It's sinking down. It always sinks to the water.
Oh, man.
Look at
And
mine.
it's top
Oh.
to look
Keep drawing your bird until we're done.
He's done.
Well, draw me a different bird. Draw me two birds.
Okay, I'm gonna draw an apple.
I'm drawing 5 birds.
Guess what? I'm focusing
I'm drawing
on fruit birds because of orange bird in there.
Look what I draw.
You're focusing on fruit birds. So we have a banana bird. And what else did you say you're doing now?
An apple bird.
An apple bird.
Hey, I got a banana bird. Just a banana.
You're doing a banana bird too?
I got lots of banana birds.
But a banana bird is yellow.
I'm making
And nobody likes the color yellow.
I'm making. But
I've never met a single person in the world
it's
who
green.
likes the color yellow.
Now it's green.
Have you, Simon? Have you ever met a single person in the world who likes the color yellow?
It's
Can I
green.
go with green just to say?
Arkley, have you ever met? Have you
I
ever?
need green.
Oh,
Arkley, have you ever
I'll
met a
give you
single
yellow.
person that likes
I
yellow?
don't need yellow.
then I'm
Uh,
at you.
That's going nowhere. Arkley likes yellow. It's his favorite color. I was trying to get a reaction.
I wrote
Me
off.
too.
Instead, I just
Don't
sat
need
here and
yellow.
started looking
I need
goober.
purple. Silly head.
Purple under the chair.
I already got
Tripod.
purple. Silly.
Vegas.
I already
Okay, so there's my bird on a limb. This is a tree right here. See, it's sticking on.
You're just being funny.
Okay, does anybody else have any birds they want to show?
I draw the
That's the banana
dragon.
bird?
I draw
Oh, okay,
the
I see.
dra-
There's the
I
banana
only had
bird.
to draw the dragon.
And then these extra lines are because the apple bird is on the other side.
Go, go.
See the
What are these?
Those are just, what is it?
There's apple muscles.
No, guess
I like his apple head. Look. Bye, everybody.
Everybody.
D, C, D.